So let's now create our project. First of all, in order to create your project, you need to open your terminal if you are using a Mac. If you are a Windows user, you need to open what's called CMD, which is the command prompt in Windows. And then you need to follow along. First of all, you need to CD to your desktop. So if you aren't pointing to your desktop, all you need to do is that you need to type CD and then desktop, because this is gonna change the directory to your desktop and create the project on the desktop, because it's easier for me. It's easier to access the project if it's created on my desktop, and I'm assuming that it's going to be easier for you as well. So once you have decided on where you want to create your project, let's create the project. So to create the project, we use Composer. So the command is to create a Laravel project is composer, and then create hyphen project, and then hyphen prefer, and then hyphen dest, and then Laravel / Laravel, and then the name of the project. I'm gonna name my project Laravel _ tests, and then the version of Laravel that you want to use. By default, it's gonna install the latest version that is compatible with your PHP. But for me, I'm gonna just type 8. I'm gonna specify the version to be 8. If you don't do that, it's gonna install the latest version that is compatible with PHP. That's installed on your operating system. So I'm gonna say here 8 in order to make sure that it's gonna install Laravel 8, and then hit enter. And this is gonna start installing all packages required to create a Laravel project. So once it's installed successfully, it's going to say here application key set successfully, and you should find the project created on your desktop. So let me head on over to my desktop to show you that. So as you can see, if I head on over to my desktop, I'll find that a new folder called Laravel _ tests has been created. And in order to open the project on in Visual Studio Code, all you need to do is that you need to drag and drop that project on Visual Studio Code, and it will be opened. So as you can see, the project has been opened in Visual Studio Code.